come over to this website and copy this link. Step 2, come over to the second website, paste your link, enter 1000 and click on submit, and this website will automatically share your post on Facebook with 1000 different groups. Doing so, you can get paid anywhere between $2 and $3 per couple of seconds, even per couple of minutes. As you can see over here, $2.05, it just goes on and on. This is going to be one of the most epic CPA and affiliate marketing videos that I've posted on my YouTube channel so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can scale from anywhere between $100 and $200 a day with CPA marketing and completely automating this on this brand new website over here. And secondly, I'm going to show you how we're going to go and use Facebook over here to go and get a massive viral ripple effect, which is a strategy that I've just recently created that you have not seen before, that you can actually use to go viral on Facebook completely for free without even spending any money on ads. So that's going to lead us to our first step. Come over to Facebook.com and sign in with your Facebook accounts. If you haven't got one, which I'm pretty sure we all have a Facebook account by now, click on create new account and go and fill out this information over here and go and click on sign up. That's step number 1. We're going to come back to this later. Make sure to keep watching so that you can learn how to go and use this strategy. Secondly, we're going to come over to this website over here. Now make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this just in a bit, but it's super important that if you want this to work for you, you need to watch this until the end. So this is a website where we can go and get access to thousands and thousands of different CPA offers to make money off of. I'm also going to show you how we can make money off multiple CPA offers at the same time. You can also go and create video lockers, URL and file lockers, and content lockers, which you can go and lock specific types of content with a CPA offer, meaning you can actually go and make money online literally giving away free content. This website has super fast payout methods, so you get paid out direct to bank or PayPal within just a couple of days. And you also have a 24/7 support team, so if you have any issues, you can message them and they'll help you out. You're going to go and click on register on the top right and go and fill out all of this information. For publisher type, go and select website. For where did you hear about us, you can just go and type YouTube, and all of this you can just enter out. Once you're ready, go and log in with your account. And here on your dashboard, you can go and view all sorts of offers that you can go and promote to make money off of. For example, this company is having an iPhone 13 Pro giveaway. Every person that you refer to this giveaway, you're going to go and get paid 61 cents. These people over here are having a $500 Kohl's gift card giveaway, which you will get paid $6.63 for every person that you refer to this giveaway. If you come over to offer tools on the left, click on my offers, we can go and view all sorts of offers. This is my favorite section. Get $1,000 sent to your Cash App. You will get paid $2.31 per person that you refer to this giveaway, where they can stand a chance to win $1,000. It's a win-win for everybody. Over here, they're doing a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway, which you will earn $2.05 per person that you refer to this. And remember, you can be anywhere in the world and promote these offers. I'm in South Africa and I can go and promote these offers in the United States. You can see all these flags with the United States, meaning you can only get traffic from the United States from these offers. So I can sit in South Africa and go and promote this in the United States with the strategy that I'm going to show you, and you can still make money online from wherever you are. All your leads need to do is, if I go and open up this example over here, when they click on this link, you'll see it will pop up with a web page that looks like this. They just need to go and enter their name and email address to enter for this giveaway, and that's when you will get paid $2.31 per person that you refer and just enters their email and name into this giveaway. They don't have to buy anything, they don't have to spend any money. It's a free action that takes a couple of seconds. That's why something like this converts so well. And this website I'm busy using over here is called cpagrip.com. So make sure to take note of this website. Go and come and create your account here so you can go and grab your offers. That's going to lead us to step number 2, is to come over to this website over here. Now I'm also going to reveal this just in a bit, but make sure to keep watching so that you don't lose track. We're going to click on sign up for free at the bottom over here. You can go and sign up with your email address or directly with your Twitter account. I've already got an account, so I've just logged in with my account. What we're going to go and do is, let me just go and edit these blocks over here and remove these current ones to show you how to do this from scratch. This is a tool you can go and use as a bridge page to promote multiple links at the same time. So what we're actually going to go and do is, we're going to go and promote multiple offers at the same time so that we can make, for example, $2.31 here and then $2.05 again of the same person. So in order to go and set this up, come back to this page, click on edit blocks, click on tap to add content, click on links and websites, click on next, and for your title, very simple. Go and click on your offer, go and copy the title of it. All this information is here. For the title of your link, go and click here to enter. For your URL, go and copy your affiliate link and go and paste that here. Click on add block. We're going to tap to add content again, exact same process. For your title, let's go and use, for example, this time the $750 PayPal gift card. So we can go and copy this, paste this over here for our title. For the title of our link, click here. Click here to enter. For the URL, again, go and copy our affiliate link and paste this over here, and we can now click on add block and we can go and publish. Now this page is accessible to the public, so you can use this page on the website I'm going to show you that's going to automate traffic to this and the Facebook strategy to get tons of clicks on multiple offers at the same time. This website is called bio.fm, so make sure to come over to bio.fm and come and set up your bridge page. That's going to lead us to step number 4, is come over to facebook.com and log in to the account you've created. Come over to the groups on the top left, click on groups and go and search Make Money Online. Now all of these free communities over here have hundreds of thousands of people, which is potential traffic to make money offline of. Now this is not going to include spamming, DMing random people saying click on my link, click on my link. That's not going to work. I'm going to show you a brand new strategy that you have not heard of that I've just created that will get you a very organic viral ripple effect on this. So we can go and choose any group. Let's go use Make Money Online over here with 122,000 members. We're going to click on write something over here on create a post and go and type the following. Hey guys, I'm going to do a lucky draw competition to try and grow my brand, so I'd really appreciate the support. I'm going to do a $1,000 Venmo PayPal giveaway to a lucky winner. Steps to enter: like this post, share this post to your feed, and thirdly, comment on this post ready. Now I want you to take note of 3 factors that I've done here. Firstly, I'm getting people to engage. Now to go viral on Facebook, people need to engage with your posts. Secondly, in order to enter this giveaway, everyone needs to share your post. So if one person shares your post and decides to enter, now their entire audience is also going to see this. And if all of them share it, they share it to all of their audiences. So from one person, it becomes 10 people, 100 people, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 people, and that's how virality grows with this. Obviously, you're going to get to a point where you can't go and DM every single person the entry link, which is this link over here that we created with our 2 giveaways. So when you get to a point where the post does go viral, just go and leave your link over here like this so that people can go and click on it. When you're ready, go and click on post, and let this automatically run for itself. Because remember, you're already posting this to an audience of 122,000 people. Then secondly, my favorite part of this video, we're going to come over to this website over here. So while your post is busy going viral on Facebook for now, we can go and use a second strategy to triple our virality. So this is a website where we can go and get SEO services, auto panel scripts, reliable and secure automatic social media servicing, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and click on sign up on the top right over here. Go and enter this information, your username, first name, last name, email address. You can ignore the Skype field, password, and go and click on sign up. Once you've done that, sign in with your account. Once you've signed in, under the category section over here, click on the drop down, and we want to go and look for Facebook shares. So yeah, you can see Facebook comments, stories, and shares. Go and click on this under the specific service, scroll down until we get to Facebook shares. So for example, over here, Facebook shares on groups, go and click that. Go and paste your link over here, which is the link to this page to your giveaways. Enter the quantity. If you want 1,000 shares on 1,000 different groups, you're going to go and pay $36 for this service. Now what you can do is, while you've made some money from using this free strategy, you can reinvest into Embers smmworldpanel.com over here, which is this website to go and buy this service. You go and click on submit, and now this post will this link will automatically get 1,000 shares on various different Facebook groups in its relative niche over here for just $36. Now I've just created something epic for you guys on the screen over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal it in a bit. I've created a 35 video free CPA marketing course for you guys. I've learned this information from multiple $1,000 courses online. I've now created my own version of this on YouTube completely for free for you to watch. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. It's all free value over here. So yeah, you can see on my screen, I've got a CPA marketing course over here. I'm gonna just change the year to 2022. It still applies, doesn't matter about the year. So you can go and click on this playlist over here. I'm also gonna leave it on the screen for you, and you can go and learn multiple ways to go and scale the CPA marketing. So make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.